Homesteading, page 138, canning continued. Directions. In a saucepan, soften the gelatin in the apple and lemon juices. To dissolve gelatin, bring to a full rolling boil and boil 2 minutes. Remove from heat. Number 2, stir in sweetener and food coloring, if desired. Fill jars, leaving 1/4 inch headspace. Adjust lids. Refrigerate. Do not process or freeze. Refrigerated grape spread. This is a simple, tasty recipe that doesn't require processing. Be sure to refrigerate and use within 4 weeks. This recipe makes 3 half pints. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons unflavored gelatin powder, 1 bottle, 24 ounces, unsweetened grape juice, 2 tablespoons bottled lemon juice, 2 tablespoons liquid low-calorie sweetener, for instance, sucralose, honey, or 1 to 2 teaspoons liquid sativa. Directions. Number 1, in a saucepan, heat the gelatin in the grape and lemon juices until mixture is soft. Bring to a full rolling boil to dissolve gelatin. Boil 1 minute and remove from heat. Stir in sweetener. Number 2, fill jars quickly, leaving 1/4 inch headspace. Adjust lids. Refrigerate. Do not process or freeze. Remaking soft jellies. Sometimes jelly just doesn't turn out right the first time. Jelly that is too soft can be used as a sweet sauce to drizzle over ice cream, cheesecake, or angel food cake, but it can also be recooked into the proper consistency. To remake with powdered pectin, number 1, measure jelly to be recooked. Work with no more than 4 to 6 cups at a time. For each quart, 4 cups of jelly, mix 1/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup water, page 139. 2 tablespoons bottled lemon juice, and 4 teaspoons powdered pectin. Bring to a boil while stirring. Number 2, add jelly and bring to a rolling boil over high heat, stirring constantly. Boil hard for a half a minute. Remove from heat, quickly skim foam off jelly, and fill sterile jars, leaving 1/4 inch headspace. Adjust new lids and process as recommended. See below. To remake with liquid pectin. Number 1, measure jelly to be recooked. Work with no more than 4 to 6 cups at a time. For each quart, which is 4 cups of jelly, measure into a bowl 3/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons bottled lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons liquid pectin. Number 2, bring jelly only to boil over high heat while stirring. Remove from heat and quickly add the sugar, lemon juice, and pectin. Bring to a full rolling boil, stirring constantly. Boil hard for 1 minute. Quickly skim off foam and fill sterile jars, leaving 1/4 inch headspace. Adjust new lids and process as recommended. See below. To remake without added pectin. Number 1. For each quart of jelly, add 2 tablespoons bottled lemon juice. Heat to boiling and continue to boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Number 2. To test jelly for doneness, use one of the following methods. Temperature test. Use a jelly or candy thermometer and boil until mixture reaches the following temperatures at the altitudes of. For sea level, go to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. At 1,000 feet, go 218 degrees Fahrenheit. At 2,000 feet, go to 216 degrees Fahrenheit. At 3,000 feet, go to 214 degrees Fahrenheit. At 4,000 feet, go to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. At 5,000 feet, go to 211 degrees Fahrenheit. At 6,000 feet, go to 209 degrees Fahrenheit. At 7,000 feet, go to 207 degrees Fahrenheit. And lastly, at 8,000 feet, go to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Sheet or spoon test. Dip a cool metal spoon into the boiling jelly mixture. Raise the spoon about 12 inches above the pan, out of steam. Turn the spoon so the liquid runs off the side. The jelly is done when the syrup forms 2 drops that flow together and sheet or hang off the edge of the spoon. Number 3, remove from heat, quickly skim off foam, and fill sterile jars, leaving 1/4 inch headspace. Adjust new lids and process. Process times for remade soft jellies in a boiling water canner. Process time at altitudes of. The style of pack is hot. The jar size, half pints or pints. From 0 to 1,000 feet, go 5 minutes. From 1,000 to 6,000 feet, go 10 minutes. And anything above 6,000 feet, go 15 minutes. After the process is complete, turn off the heat and remove the canner lid. Wait 5 minutes before removing jars. Vegetables, pickles, and tomatoes. Beans or peas, shelled or dried, all varieties. Shelled or dried beans and peas are inexpensive and easy to buy or store in bulk, but they are not very convenient when it comes to preparing them to eat. Hydrating and canning beans or peas enable you to simply open a can and use them rather than waiting for them to soak. Sort and discard discolored seeds before rehydrating. Quantity. An average of 5 pounds is needed per canner load of 7 quarts. An average of 3 1/4 pounds is needed per canner load of 9 pints. An average of 3/4 pounds per quart. Directions. Number 1. Place dried beans or peas in a large pot and cover with water. Soak 12 to 18 hours in a cool place. Drain water to quickly hydrate beans. You may cover sorted and washed beans with boiling water in a saucepan. Boil 2 minutes. Remove from heat. Soak 1 hour and drain. Number 2, cover beans soaked by either method with fresh water and boil 30 minutes. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt per pint or 1 teaspoon per quart to each jar if desired. Fill jars with beans or peas and cooking water, leaving 1-inch headspace. Adjust lids and process.